World's oldest football competition is back this weekend with its quarter-final round. Leicester City and Manchester United will go head-to-head at King Power Stadium to determine the semi-final spot up for grabs on Sunday. This fixture seems to be a tasty affair among all other draws made considering they are just 1 point apart in the Premier League table. Bournemouth is only non-top flight team remaining in the competition who would kick off the quarter-final round against Southampton at home. Remaining two games are between Everton and Manchester City at Goodison Park and Chelsea taking on the strugglers Sheffield United at home. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer's man would march into the match after getting the better of AC Milan in Europa League round of 16 in midweek. They are also boosted by the return of Paul Pogba, who scored all the important goals coming on as a half-time substitute to help Red Devils get over the Rossoneri. There are still some injury concerns with Edinson Cavani picking up the knock after deemed fit for the European fixture and Marcus Rashford feeling his shoulder before being replaced at halftime at Milan as a precautionary measure as said by his manager. Although David De Gea is back after spending time with family, Dean Henderson is expected to start between the sticks with strong performances in recent matches while the Spaniard was away. Leicester, on the other hand, had a week of rest and would like to take advantage of the fatigued United and break their sorry record of not winning last 13 fixtures against them. In the last match, Brendan Rodgers' man hammered lowly Sheffield United 5-0 at home in the Premier League with Kelechi Iheanacho bagging a hat-trick. The Foxes have injury concerns of their own with vital cogs in their wheels. Harvey Barnes, James Justin and James Maddison all ruled out for some time to come with injuries. Brendan Rodgers is expected to field his strongest possible 11 under the circumstances in order to book Leicester's place in Wembley. Probable starting 11s: Leicester City 3-4-1-2, Kasper Schmeichel, Daniel Amati, Johnny Evans, Cagle Soyuncu, Ricardo Pereira, Wilfred Ndidi, Yuri Telemans, Timothy Castagne, Ayozo Perez, Kelechi Iheanacho and Jamie Vardy. Manchester United 4-2-3-1, Dean Henderson, Aaron Wan-Bissaka, Victor Lindelof, Harry Maguire, Luke Shaw, Nemanja Matic, Paul Pogba, Daniel James, Bruno Fernandes, Marcus Rashford and Mason Greenwood. Share your thoughts on the comments below and predict on the scoreline. If you liked our work, please like, share and subscribe to Footalks for more content.